In this video, I will show you how to edit an employee job title in Gusto. First, open your browser. Go to app.gusto.com and log in with your account. On the left side of your dashboard, click on People. Here you will see a list of your active team members. Now, right next to the Active section, click on Onboarding. This is where you can see all employees, including the ones still being set up. Find the employee whose job title you want to change and simply click on their name. This will take you into their employee profile. From here, you can edit a variety of details like personal information, employment info, and of course, the job title. Just update the job title to the new one, review your changes, and make sure to hit save so everything is updated properly. And that's how to edit an employee job title in Gusto.